Have you ever looked at a bee buzzing around and thought, wow, that little guy is carrying a grocery store on its legs? Well, you should. Today we're talking about bee pollen, what it is, why people swear by it, how to actually use it without feeling like you're eating flour dust, and what you need to know before you start. Oh, and yes, we'll touch on the hot topic. Can it really help in cancer treatment? Let's dive in. Bee pollen is basically a magical mix made by honeybees. It's the pollen from flowers, combined with a bit of nectar, bee enzymes, and honey. Think of it as the ultimate multivitamin, but designed by nature, not a lab. It contains proteins, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, basically a little bee buffet that humans can benefit from too. Alright, here's why bee pollen is making waves. Boosts energy. The carbs, protein, and B vitamins in bee pollen can help you feel more energetic and less like a Monday morning zombie. Supports immune health. It's packed with antioxidants that help your body fight off free radicals. Basically, it's like giving your immune system a personal trainer. Helps reduce inflammation. Some studies show bee pollen has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help with joint pain or skin irritation. Supports heart health. Certain compounds may help lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation. Rich in nutrients. Over 250 biologically active substances, and no, I'm not exaggerating, that help keep your body running smoothly. You can eat bee pollen raw, just chew and swallow. But most people sprinkle it over yogurt, smoothie bowls, or salads. Start with small amounts, like half a teaspoon a day, and work your way up. Why small? Because bee pollen is powerful, and your body needs to get used to it. Plus, too much too soon can cause, let's just say, digestive adventures. Now, before you start thinking bee pollen is basically magic dust, a quick reality check. Allergies. If you're allergic to pollen, bees, or bee products, this might send your immune system into overdrive. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Not enough research to confirm it's safe, so best to skip it. Medication interactions. Bee pollen can interact with blood thinners and other meds. Always talk to your doctor first. Remember, natural doesn't always mean safe for everyone. Here's where it gets interesting. Some lab studies suggest bee pollen has antioxidant and immune-boosting effects that might help protect cells and reduce side effects of certain cancer treatments. Sounds amazing, right? But, and it's a big but, most of this research is still in the early stages, and it's not a cure. If you or someone you know is undergoing cancer treatment, bee pollen should only be considered as a supportive, complementary option, and only under the guidance of a healthcare professional. So, bee pollen. Tiny golden granules with big potential. It can boost your energy, support your immune system, and pack in a ton of nutrients. But it's not a magic pill, and it's not for everyone. If you're curious, start small, be consistent, and always check with your doctor if you have health conditions. And hey, next time you see a bee, maybe give it a little nod of respect. It's working harder for your health than you think. I'm Your Name, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and let's keep the buzz going. See you next time.